Okay guys, now we're gonna be doing the headrest. Now be careful with the little ones in the back because the rods are almost in the center. The way to avoid confusion, we put which side is the front in the bottom of the rod. So that way we don't lose track. And now we can peel them off. Now guys, these ones are stiff. These are not really soft. I'm gonna put nylon in it to make it easy, but these ones are stiff. Alright, we have our cover. Yeah, I'm afraid these are gonna be difficult. The challenge is when the density of the foam is that high, you have less opportunity to squish it. We can use the vacuum, we can use the gig to compress them and put it in like a glove, but you don't want to have that at home, so you're going to have to go this way. And there is one. One front. Now I'm gonna do one back so you guys can see, and I don't want to entertain you in the video. There is one. Let's make one small one. I want to make this practical for you guys. You always align the seam allowances in the back so you have a nice line. That was it. This is the factory plastic. I'll leave it there. there you have your pair. Just gonna steam slightly these creases. The other one is smooth. And guys, that was the headrest. That complete our installation. We just gonna put everything back into the car and show the results so you can appreciate how it looks after the installation. Comments, questions, put it in the comments. Like and subscribe. Go to leathertech.com or EM Upholstery Technology. Thank you.